Okay guys, so this is the first unboxing in a while in my room since I finally picked up my room, but there is like some dirt on the ground, but I don't really care. Like everything else is clean. So I got this, and this was supposed to come no joke, this was supposed to come like I think next, like at the end of next week. I'm not like, this came really fast. I don't want to show the shipping. And these are worth a lot of money now online. Just put it down just for a second. These are worth a lot more than they were when back then. But of course everything is now, like every single item. Because I've always used eBay because my dad used to use it, like when I was really young. And I remember looking up like Spear Halloween stuff on there. Spear Halloween before I really got into Gemmy, but these prices were so different in 2014 and 2015. I remember going on eBay and they had a ton of like snow misers, $25 each. Like a lot of them had their boxes. Like this one Christmas, they had like the snow woman. This isn't a snow miser, by the way. I'm just like giving an example of how cheap stuff used to be. Because this isn't a cheap item, but I got it for cheap. They had snow misers, a ton of them for $25 each. Like they're not worth that much at all anymore. I remember like the next Christmas, they were not sold that much. And I regret getting them because I had the money at the time. I almost also got a Grave Raver at one point. I think 2015, and they're worth a lot now. I almost got it for $20. I offered, but then my dad wouldn't let me get it. Because they accepted it. I think I got it for like a little over $10, and it was Live La Vida Loca because I asked what it sung, because I knew there was different versions. Oh god, I didn't know much about them at the time. I've learned a lot more about Gemmy items. I think the first things I ever got into were singing fish. I know I said that weird. First I got into singing fish, then snow miser, then pop culture, and then like back to singing fish, to then Grave Rivers, which I kind of hate now. Now it's more spirit balls, but I don't know. I just don't. I like spirit balls, but I just feel like they're like, I don't know. I don't think like, back then I collected more of like the classic singing stuff, but not Grave Rivers, because Grave Rivers are stupid, so I don't like them. I like singing fish and pop culture and hip swingers, which this is a hip swinger, and these are the kind of items I'm into. Yes! Oh, it's from Walmart. Yes! Oh my god, you guys do not have my favorite big head. This and the skeleton, but the skeleton I don't really like as much now that I have the life-size one over there. But he is so... he has like some like... he smells like this. Yes, I'll use this adapter if it's plugged in. Yeah, dude, oh my god, I wanted this thing. He's quiet. I have the witch one with this base, but I'm pretty sure the witch is a freaky geek, but this is a big head. And he's really quiet. And so for some reason, a lot of the Gemmy items I get, they always come fully working. Except a lot of it, like either the mouse move or don't, but like everything else always comes fully working. I don't know why. My Zoot Suit came fully working, this came fully working, my Freaky Geek Witch came fully working, Big Head Santa came fully working. Almost all my singing fish came fully working. But for how old these are, that's pretty lucky. But I think all my singing fish came fully working, except my first Travis, which I returned, and my second Christmas Billy Bass, which I returned.
Oh, did I scare you? What do you want?
It's probably just because he's on a rug. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm talking more in this video because I don't know, I just feel like talking more. So yeah, thanks for watching.